Most best foods for reflux lists give you the same 10 foods with no explanation of why they're good for reflux. Eat oatmeal, bananas, avoid tomatoes. They never explain the mechanism, which means you don't know how to make smart swaps when those foods aren't available. My name is Molly. I'm a registered dietitian that specializes in reflux, GERD, and LPR. I've worked with hundreds of clients on exactly this, and I suffered with GERD myself for over a decade and put my own GERD into remission. And what I've learned is that nutrition plays a pivotal role. Every food you eat is either supporting esophageal healing or working against it. The difference comes down to three main mechanisms: microbiome health, motility, and blood sugar stability. Acid also plays a role. Today, I'm going to take you along with me to the grocery store to show you the top 10 foods I actually recommend to my clients and that personally helped me heal my GERD. Let's get into it. And just a heads up, number 1 is a food I recommend to every single client most people have never even thought of because GI doctors never bring it up.
Number 10, melons, honeydew, cantaloupe, watermelon, papaya. These are low acid, super alkaline, and a great fiber boost to support healthy bowel movements. Healthy bowel movements are so important to put less pressure on the LES. Both pears and bananas are two amazing foods when it comes to acid reflux, rich in soluble fiber to support motility and bowel regularity, and they're not too acidic that they're going to activate pepsin in your throat. Number 8 is dark leafy greens. These are incredible antioxidant powerhouses to support your healing phase. Sweet potatoes are my favorite complex carbohydrate source for people with reflux. They're rich in vitamin A to support tissue healing and skin health. Now here's where most people go wrong: proteins. You're going to want to stick to lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, and wild-caught salmon. I love getting these frozen to save money, and so they're always ready for you to pop in the oven for a quick weeknight dinner. Rolled oats or steel-cut oats are an anti-reflux staple. They contain beta-glucan, which is a powerful prebiotic for your microbiome and helps to reduce cholesterol. Ginger has been shown in randomized control trials to help support motility. I love this ingredient because it's antioxidant rich, anti-inflammatory, excellent for digestion. Food does not need to be boring in a reflux healing phase. Fresh herbs like sage, thyme, tarragon, oregano, all of these are antioxidant rich and deliver powerful nutrients for your digestive health while adding flavor. We can't forget about beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are a superfood rich in soluble fiber to boost healthy gut bugs. They're also a super easy and affordable pantry staple to make weeknight meals super easy. I love making my own dips and low acid soups and dressings as chickpeas as the base.
Every single food I showed you does 3 things: lowers your acid load, supports motility, and delivers essential nutrients for your healing. When you stock your kitchen with these 3 mechanisms, eating reflux friendly in your healing phase stops feeling so restrictive and starts feeling like a strategy. This is the approach we take with every single client. Food is typically one of 5 to 7 root contributors to a reflux problem. If you want to go deeper into how to address reflux at the root, make sure you watch my video on how to breathe to strengthen the lower esophageal sphincter, your anti-reflux barrier. You don't want to miss this one. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss my weekly uploads on how to heal and address reflux at the root. Remember, small hinges swing big doors. See you in the next video.